Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. Today I'm here before you with yet another Club Factory haul. This is my second Club Factory haul. These are sent by Club Factory for review purpose. By the way, all these products are selected by myself. In my last Club Factory haul, I've already done a detailed review about it. So in which I have in detail told you guys tips and tricks how to shop from Club Factory and pros and cons of it and the quality of products and every single thing. So if you guys haven't checked it out, please do check it out so that you guys will be having a better idea about this. So first I will show you guys what all products I got from Club Factory and then we will move on to review. So let's get started. The very first earrings I'm going to show you guys is this huge long earrings. Even though it seems to be really heavy, but then it's not, guys. It's very lightweight. It's a light very dull copper shade, and it has got like this plastic beads to it, which is hanging like so, which is really beautiful. It is very lightweight, and for the money we pay, I think it's absolutely stunning. The quality is pretty good. I absolutely loved it. Next thing is this silver earrings, which retails for 114 rupees, and for the money we pay, I think it's of great quality. Especially this coins is in great trend right now, especially in necklace, bracelets, and even for earrings. So it's so much in trend right now, but the negative part is that it's very heavy. It's gonna hurt our ear a lot after a while. Apart from that, it's of great quality. It looks really beautiful, classy. It's a stunning piece. I absolutely loved it. Next one is this cute little stud, which retails for 73 rupees. It has got small stones to it, which is in multicolor, and also a small bow to it. It's in golden color. I've worn it twice or thrice, and color hasn't faded yet, and quality is pretty good, not bad for the price we pay. Again, it's of great quality for 73 rupees. I think it's worth for the money. And for those who love small studs, I think you are gonna love it a lot. Next earring is this circular and triangular earring, and it's something very different, very unique, and the best part I liked about this earring is this peculiar design. And it is of not of great quality, but then it is not cheap either. It's somewhere in between. It's not bad actually. Next one is this long earrings, which retails for 107. We have color options. One is in blue and one is in white. I got it in white, and this is really huge, and it is not that heavy, but then it's not lightweight as well. It's somewhere in between. So this one is again okay product, not that great, but then for the money we pay, I think it's good. It's really nice. And next earring is this small stud earring, which has got beautiful little blue stone to it, but then I didn't like it that much because it seems to be little cheap. It's okay, definitely it's definitely worth for the money we pay, but then it's little on cheaper quality, I feel. Next thing is this set, which has got bracelet, bangles, and earrings to it, and it is retails for 160 rupees, and for 160 rupees it's absolutely stunning piece, you guys. It is really beautiful. Especially necklace is something I absolutely loved. Both necklace and bracelet is really nice. Earrings are really cute actually, and its good quality is pretty good, and the design is really beautiful and nice and cute. And next one is this hoop earrings, and it retails for 132 rupees, and for 132 rupees we get 6 pair, which is something I feel it's absolutely a steal, and I really like it because it's so much in trend right now, and it suits pretty much everyone. It's really nice, and we also get in variety of like sizes, which is something really nice. And next one is again something which is in trend right now, this multicolor earring, which has got different colors to it. This is gonna look really well with plain black salwars or kurtis, even white kurtis. So this is again something I absolutely love. It's really nice. Next one is this tassel earrings, and it retails for 101 rupees, and for the price it's okay product. It's not that of great quality, but then it's okay. Tassels are pretty cool. It's nice, and its stud has got a little bit of stone detailing to it, which is good actually. And next one I got is this silver necklace, which retails for 137 rupees. Its pendant is absolutely beautiful, and its chain is actually done in plastic thread, so we should be a little careful while handling it. We should not actually pull it and handle it roughly, if so it's gonna break. So it's okay, especially for the pendant. I feel it's absolutely stunning. For 137 rupees, it's really nice piece. Next one is this bow ring and finger ring, and it is for 67 rupees. It's actually, the design is pretty good, it's huge, it's nice, but then the quality is not that great, especially that golden color and stones and all. It's really I mean, it's not of great quality. Next one is this bracelet and bangles. It's a set, and it retails for 116 rupees. It has got 10 bangles and 2 bracelets. 2 bracelets are actually there in elastic thread, that's the reason it's adjustable, but then all the other bangles are very huge, so it's not gonna suit me at all because my wrist is really small, and as you guys can see, it's really huge. It was there in only one size, so I got it, and I didn't like it that much. It's okay, that's it. Next one is absolute fail, you guys. I got this one bangle for 48 rupees, and I absolutely regret buying it. I mean, I thought it would be a set of 12, but still, I mean, look at it, guys. It's absolute waste. For 48 rupees. It was a waste product. As that of last time, this time also packaging was pretty good. This time also it came in this plastic packaging which has written Club Factory in it, and everything came all together. And then each and every accessory, each and every item was packaged in this kind of plastic packaging individually, and all together it was wrapped in a bubble wrapper. So packaging was superb. I really liked it, and pricing was very affordable. So since you have seen the products which I've got from Club Factory, please let me know in the comment section down below which one is your favorite. One of my favorite is this beautiful earrings, silver earrings. I absolutely loved it. So about the quality of products, it's absolutely stunning, guys. I absolutely loved the quality, except for one. Look at this. So for 45 rupees, I just got one bangle. It was actually a set of 12, I guess, but then I got only one. This is for 48 rupees. So this one is absolute bummer. I wouldn't say all of them are of great quality, but then I can definitely say that they are worth for the money we pay. This time I only purchased accessories, that too more of earrings. Since this is my second haul, I already knew that which products are the best, so that's the reason I got accessories. In my last haul, I had purchased items from each category, so I knew that accessories are the best to purchase from Club Factory. That's what I felt. As I said, please do watch my last Club Factory haul, because in that I've already mentioned everything, every single thing about Club Factory. That's it, guys. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.